Hey guys, we are inside Lowe's and this is all the ceiling fans there are. First, let's look at the ceiling fans which are put on the ceiling. So one of them. Oh, some of the fans are hung up here. Let's see, this is all there is. Oh, that fan blade is missing for somehow. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's a thing. Oh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, that fan has a broken blade again. I'm saying this. Okay, now for the boxes. So there's these. Oh, I never like seen. Ooh. Oh, this is the light bulb ceiling fan. I love it. Oh. If we go to the other side. Oh, the ceiling, I can see that probably.